Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a daily routine that you enjoy. You should say what it is, where and when you do it, who do you do it with. Explain why you enjoy it. My morning stroll in the park is one regular ritual that I genuinely love. I get up at around 6 in the morning every day and go to a park that's close to my house. It's the ideal way for me to start the day because of the fresh air, serene surroundings, and birdsong. I normally go for walks by myself, although occasionally a friend or relative goes with me. The park is large, full of jogging paths, benches for people to sit and unwind on, and lush green trees. Because so many individuals are doing yoga, jogging, and meditation in the morning, the environment is revitalizing. I like this program because it gives me energy and positivity all day long. I find that walking helps me stay mentally and physically active while also lowering my stress levels. I can plan my day, think coherently, and occasionally listen to my favorite podcasts or music during this time. I also get to greet and occasionally engage in small talk with other frequent walkers, which helps me feel more socially connected. The fact that it gives me a brief respite from the digital world is another reason I adore this daily routine. Spending time in nature is refreshing in today's fast-paced world where people are constantly connected to devices. Additionally, this practice has helped me become more focused and disciplined, which has increased my productivity throughout the day. All things considered, I love my morning stroll because it's not simply a physical activity but also a means of keeping up a healthy, balanced lifestyle. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.